How to create a SoundCloud account. So if you want to create a SoundCloud account, then first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for SoundCloud, and on the first search you will have soundcloud.com. Click on that. It will take you to this page, and now to create an account, on the upper right corner you will have create account option. Click on that, and from here you can continue with your Facebook, or you can continue with your Google, or you can continue with Apple. But if you want to continue with your email address, then you can enter your email address, and after entering that click on continue. And now you have to choose a password, so enter a strong password. And after entering the password, click here, I'm not a robot, and it will ask you to verify. And after verifying, click on verify, and then click on accept and continue. And from here you have to enter your age, and after entering your age you have to enter your gender, and then click on continue. And that's it guys, that's how you create your SoundCloud account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.